mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We mash up the place.
Alright, so step one of this wonderful little journey is going to be taking, God, I don't even know the number. They're little tiny guys. Little 7mm little bolt screws that are on the bottom of this. And hold the bumper on. And then we got all these pins up here on top. Beat you. And you can pick up one of these little pin poppers, the panel popper, whatever you want to call it, from your local Harbor Freight for like $3. Best $3 I've ever spent. So, yeah, unpop those, undo those, and that is step one. Step two, why this thing is so freaking handy. You have what is it? 1, 2, 3 of those little guys, and then might have to undo that one. We'll see. And each of the front tire wells, it's chipping off. That's why I'm going to replace those with those really pretty LED ones that are just a single line down. It's gonna be freaking sweet. Oh my god. Oh. 4-inch piping. That's going into the intake. Replacing the factory restricted piece of crap that is. So hopefully it'll sound better and throttle response will be a lot better. No, that's not goofy looking. It's cut to fit, just an FYI. It's gonna be a little tight too. I see that look on your face. If it fits, it sits.
No hood.
We'll just leave it like that. Yeah, no hood.